We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the base verb to eat, as in to eat a pizza. The past tense or past simple is pronounced as ate, as in I ate pasta yesterday night, ate, just like the number indeed, 8. The past participle is pronounced as eaten, eaten, stress on the first syllable here, eaten, as in the meatballs were eaten last night. Overall, to eat, ate, eaten, eat, ate, eaten. Here is a video for you to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs. Improve and practice your English watching it and listening. Like this video if you found it useful. Stay tuned to the channel to improve your English. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.